quick picture. You land in a new city for 3 weeks. You meet a handful of people, swap numbers, and then nothing. It stings.
Yeah, totally. You walk away thinking you tried, but the connection evaporated. Presence beats perfection, but still frustrating.
Welcome to the Nomad Love and Community Podcast, Episode 12. I'm Sophia Chen with James Mitchell. Today, we're putting a tiny system into your pocket so those run-ins stop feeling wasted.
And before anyone groans at system, this is small. No long rituals, no heavy commitments. Just 3 tiny cards you can actually use during a short stop. Build the habit, become the man.
Here it is in one breath. 1 habit card, 1 appearance cue, 1 message template. We call that the Nomad Memory Kit. Small enough to remember, strong enough to create follow-through. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll demo it, role-play a live 48-hour stop, and give you a 7-day lab you can finish without stressing.
Quick prototype for me. Habit card. Weekly reconnection tied to something you already do, like Sunday planning. Appearance cue. A subtle item, a dark green cap or a bracelet. Message template. 3 lines. Who, shared detail, low pressure next step. I'll show the exact wording shortly.
Nice. I'd nudge a tiny tweak for women. Cues that feel safe and easy to explain. A signature earring, a scarf knot, or even a hair clip. The point is recognition, not drama. And the habit card? Make it 5 minutes, not an event. Small daily habits create magnetic presence. Seriously.
Totally. Let's break the habit card down with 2 tiny habit stacks. 1. After your weekly inbox cleanup, send 1 reconnection message. 2. After you plan meals on Sunday, pick 1 person to message about a casual meetup next time. No heavy asks.
Short wins matter. Track 1 simple signal. Did they reply? Did you schedule anything? A tick on a note is progress. No scoreboard pressure.
People worry the appearance cue sounds manipulative. I think of it as a recognition anchor. It helps someone place you in a crowd. But I want to hear your take, Sophia. Where's the boundary?
No. If it's sold as a trick to hook people, I'm out. But if it's honest, I wear this scarf because it reminds me of home, it becomes a human detail, not a tactic. Also, prefer behavior cues when in doubt. Same coffee order, same notebook, same greeting. Patterns are what people notice, not costume changes.
Totally agree. Behavior cues are underrated. Okay, demo time. I walk into a climbing gym with a dark green cap. Someone spots it, nods, and suddenly there's a tiny trust deposit. That makes an ask to meet again feel natural.
Let's get practical with the message template, the engine of the kit. Keep it 3 lines. 1, reminder of who you are. 2, a specific shared detail. 3, an easy, no-pressure next step. Example. Hey Anna, it's Sophia from the rooftop co-working. Your travel photos were amazing. I'll be in town next weekend. Want to grab coffee Saturday morning? No pressure if you're busy. Short, warm, clear.
Yo, Mateo. James from the 7 a.m. gym. Appreciated the deadlift tip. I'm around Thursday evening. Fancy a quick shakeout run? If not, no worries.
Okay, now a live 48-hour stop roleplay. I meet a hostel roommate Friday night. We trade tips, and she mentions a Thursday rooftop yoga. We exchange cues, me the green scarf, and I'll be gone Saturday. How do I keep this from fading?
3 low-effort moves. 1. Send a 3-line message before you leave. Loved meeting you. I'll be back in 6 weeks. Want to plan a class? 2. Add a habit card reminder tied to your weekly routine. 3. Wear your cue when you come back so recognition is instant. That sequence stacks small deposits over time.
Troubleshooting. Ghosted? Send 1 gentle follow-up aligned with your template. Hey, just checking in. If plans don't work now, no worries. Would love to keep in touch. If silence continues, protect your energy and move on. Your kit is about enabling connections, not forcing them.
All right, the 1-week lab. Day 1, create the 3 cards. Write 1 reconnection habit, pick your cue, and copy the 3-line template. Days 2 to 7, test with 3 people across 3 contexts: coffee, gym, co-working.
Track reply, scheduled meet, or friendly follow-up. Small data, big learning.
We also made a short course that walks you through building the kit step by step, plus sensitivity checks so your cue fits local context. No manipulative nonsense, just templates, examples, and a downloadable tracker if you want guided help.
If you run the week and get one reconnection, you win. Small experiments beat grand intentions. Keep it light and curious.
Micro checklist to carry with you. Create 3 cards. Set 1 weekly trigger. Pick a subtle cue. Message 3 people with the 3-line template and log responses. That's your 7-day lab. Curiosity, not a moral test.
And if you want feedback on your templates or help picking cues that fit different cultures, join our course. Links on the show page. Optimize the small stuff and community starts to show up.
That's our practical advice for today. If you want the templates, grab the course link on the show page and tell us one tiny win next week. Optimize yourself, connect deeper, live freer. Thanks for listening. See you next weekday episode.